11boxbreaks.com. What's up? Doing a 2015 Prizm draft picks here for Jason A. Jason, with this, you are going to get your 8 entries into the Winston and Mariota draft promo giveaway as well, which we're closing in on pretty quickly. Got yourself a personal box break here. 2015 draft picks, the last box from the first case. We've already broke into the second case, but you secured this bad boy before anybody this morning, so it's all you, bud. Good luck. Here we go. From 101boxbreaks.com. Empty box. 1 second. All right. First pack. Good luck to you, sir. Going to start us off with an auto. Well, Odell Beckham Jr. Le'Veon Bell, be autoed. Yeah. There's something. Todd Gurley. Bam! There you go, Jason. Starting it off, the little Georgia Bulldog. TG3. Very nice, Todd Gurley. All right, Andrus Pete, Matt Jones. So there are some gems lurking in these boxes. Okay. One box is actually getting sent home to a customer. It makes me wonder what's inside of that bad boy. Matt Forte, Kelvin Benjamin, Paul Dawson, refractor. Denny wants to trade, Jason. He's watching. Jackson Shipley at the back. Jason's watching. He just can't chat right now, Denny, but he's definitely watching. Denny's a huge Rams fan, and Todd Gurley's like his new PC for this year. So if you're going to get rid of that, Jason, let me know. I'll be your guys' middleman or whatever. If you're going to keep it, all the same to you, you know. Very nice card. Marcus Murphy. The best name we've pulled out of the case. Denny wants the trade. Yeah, if you're willing to let it go, let me know, but all right. Got Jason Wynn here, Deshaun Jackson, and Philip Dorsett, team trademarks. Ty Montgomery and Lorenzo Doss. Pumped on that Todd Gurley right now. Finally, a little love. You know, it's funny too, Jason, because I know you're watching. Is Denny? He wanted that last box, but you had just bought it about a half hour prior. So, see here, we got 2 out of 75 on the Forte Blue, and then the Forte Refractor. Collect the whole set. Lippet Gaines. Lippet. All right, doing a lot of personal box breaks today. That's fine. Gonna take the kid to the movies tonight. Marius Thomas, Clay Matthews, little Eli Harold refractor, Ron Brown, and Kevin Johnson. Going to the drive-in. Fun stuff doesn't start till about 8:30 our time here, so if I have to go live at 6 to break something, no problem. Brian Bennett, Camo refractor. That's 24 out of 199. Nice Brian Bennett there. Vince Mail and dropping Titus Davis all over the place. Very nice. All right. Still waiting on one more auto out of this. Charles Woodson, No.com kick you in the face, Sue. And then we got Michael Sam, Jalen Collins, and Bo Wallace. Okay. We get something awesome. Be awesome. Arian Foster, Martavis Bryant, Leo Collins, tie-dye auto. Come on. Very nice. That's going to be 14 out of 49. La'el Collins. So that'll definitely do it right there, man. You've gotten yourself one of the better boxes of Prizm draft picks that you can get. We got 3 packs left. Give me another. Allen Hurns. Blake Sam's Camo Auto. 6 out of 99. Blakey Sims. So you've just killed it on this box. Tyler Lockett and Loaded Refractor. Gary Nova, Genio Grissom. 2 packs left. We saved the best for last, I guess, huh? Terrence Williams, Larry Fitz, Johnny Clipboard Refractor. Clive Walford at the back in last pack. Very nice box, Jason A. Way to jump on that bad boy first thing in the morning. All right, let's see what we got here. Richard Sherman, Keenan Allen, then we have Landon Collins. Defense Refractor, EJ Bibbs, and Nick Boyle. And that does it for your box of Panini Prizm draft picks. Congratulations, Jason A. That was a beautiful box, bud. Thank you very much for 101boxbreaks.com. I'm going to go ahead and save that video, and I'll be right back with you. Thanks for hanging in there.